Hi, I'm Daniel Ramey.
I'm Peter Ramey.
We're here at Circo Innovations with a new PVC idea. All right, what this design consists of is a Y, 2 short sections of PVC pipe, 1 long section we have to 8 feet. For this telescoping portion, it's around 6 feet. For this design, we're using 1¼ inch Schedule 40 PVC pipe, and on this telescoping section, it's going to be 1½ inch thin wall. In this section, you have a couple different options. One, leave it open and put it to the ground, or you can put a cap on the end. One of the most effective ways we found to secure your pipe was using a stake and then place the pole over the stake. Watch for our Circo pin coming out soon. Thank you for watching our video. For more videos like this, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you'd like to purchase any of our products, go to www.circoinnovations.com.